Hello? Let's start.
This is our family story.
Why is the fridge almost empty?
Because we need to go shopping.
Shopping without a plan is hard.
Planning saves time and money.
Can I help with the list?
Yes, helping is important.
What do we need first?
Bread, milk, and vegetables.
Can we add fruit?
Yes, fruit is healthy.
We should not forget dinner.
Chicken and rice sound good.
What about snacks?
We will choose wisely.
Let's check what we already have.
Good idea, that avoids waste.
We have no apples left.
Then apples go on the list.
Do we need juice?
Water is better today.
Why not soda?
Soda has too much sugar.
The list looks complete now.
Great, let's get ready.
I will put on my shoes.
Don't forget your jacket.
I will take the car keys.
I will take my bag.
Are we leaving now?
Yes, let's go. Everyone ready?
Yes, let's leave.
I like family trips.
Me too, they are special.
This will be a good day.
A simple but good day.
I'm excited to help.
That makes me happy.
Please sit safely.
I am ready.
Where should we park?
Near the main entrance.
The store looks big.
Yes, we need to stay focused.
Let's remember the list.
I will remind you.
That is teamwork.
Exactly.
Can I push the cart?
Yes, but carefully.
Take a clean cart.
This one is fine.
Ready to start shopping?
Yes, I am ready.
First stop is bread.
Let's go there. I can smell fresh bread.
That's true.
Which bread should we choose?
Brown bread is healthier.
Why is it healthier?
It has more fiber.
Let's take one loaf only.
Yes, no extra.
Next is fruit, right?
Yes, apples first.
Check if they are fresh.
These look good.
Take 6 apples.
Okay.
Do we need bananas?
Yes, for breakfast.
I will put them gently.
Thank you. Now, vegetables.
Carrots and tomatoes.
Why vegetables every day?
They help your body grow.
Look at the prices.
These are cheaper.
Good eye, that saves money.
I like saving money.
Let's move to dairy.
Milk is next.
This milk expires soon.
Good catch. Choose another.
Yogurt with less sugar.
Yes, that one.
Why less sugar again?
Too much sugar is unhealthy.
Now, the meat section.
Chicken for dinner.
How much should we buy?
Just enough for 2 days.
No food waste.
I understand.
Let's check the list again.
We are doing well.
Snacks are here.
Let's talk about snacks.
We can choose one small snack.
Just one is okay.
Which one do you choose?
This small chocolate.
Good choice. Not too big.
Thank you.
Drinks are next.
Water only.
No soda today?
Not today.
Water keeps us healthy.
I will be drinking more water.
Let's go to cereal.
Read the labels.
This one has less sugar.
Excellent choice.
You are learning fast.
I like learning.
Please help bring the bags.
I will carry this one.
Thank you for helping.
I like helping.
Let's put food away together.
Teamwork again.
The fridge looks full now.
Yes, very organized.
What did you learn today?
How to choose food.
Anything else?
How to save money.
Those are important skills.
Very important.
I feel more responsible.
That's great.
Responsibility starts small, like shopping.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and comment.